Here we are. Wonderful patient again. So I don't know if you remember, she had lots of pain going down from the sacrum down the thigh. You can see the markings for the cupping she's done with no results. How are you feeling today?
A little bit better compared before.
A little bit better compared to before?
Yeah, but
okay,
before
so you can
I went
move?
Here.
Yes, and you tried other clinics too, right?
Yeah.
But not too much results. Okay.
No result.
Okay, so now we are going to do the SIS, which is super induction. We already did the Tecar therapy. We're going to do the SIS, so we are going to put it on nerve repair, right here, nerve repair, okay? We're going to do it about 10 minutes and see how she does. Okay, let's try. Okay, how's that feel right now? Feels good?
Yeah.
Feels like electric shocks?
Yeah.
Small, right? Remember, squeeze your buttocks together and your abs tight and come in one side. Slowly. There's your shoes, nice Crocs. One unit, abs tight, slowly, abs tight, good, very good. I can get your stuff for you. Okay. Slowly. It's okay? Good? You got it? Okay, we're gonna do one exercise now. Here are your stuff. So remember, abs tight and squeeze your buttocks together, okay? In one unit, not too much, okay? Follow me. Squat down, yeah, squat down, hold it right there. Again, abs tight, squeeze your buttocks together. I'm going to start the vibration. Make sure everything's tight, okay? How's that going right now? It's okay? You can hold it. Tight here, abs tight, squeeze buttocks again, not too much. About 50% of your power, okay? Hold it good. Right now, how you feel right now? No pain? Feels better? All right, okay. We'll see you tomorrow. You happy?
Yes, doctor.